Hi kids, very good morning to you all. Have a nice day. Welcome to Grade 2 English class. Today we are going to see the grammar part of singular and plural nouns. Okay. In earlier class we have seen what is singular and plural noun, right? And we have also seen some rules, right? So today we are going to see the remaining rules for changing singular to plural one. Okay, so before going into that, shall we have a recap on what we have seen? Yes. Okay, so what is singular noun, children? Yes, when a noun talks about only one person, one place, one animal or one thing, then it is said to be singular one, right? So we have seen some examples, right? What is plural one? Yeah, noun. When a noun talks more than one person, one place, one animal or one thing, then it is said to be plural noun. Yes, children? I hope you all remember it, right? And we have also seen some rules, right? So we'll see the summary for those rules. Yes. So most nouns add yes to form plural. Most of the nouns we will add yes at the end of the word to make it plural one. Okay. The next rule says nouns that end with sh, ch, x, z or s we need to add es at the end of the word. Okay. Next rule, what it says, nouns end with vowel plus y, then we need to add yes if the word ends with y, and before y if it is the letter, it is vowel one, then we need to add yes. Okay. Next is nouns ends with consonant plus y, then y to I, we need to change that y to I and add es. Okay, the noun ends with y and the letter before y, if it is a consonant, we need to change the y into ies. Okay, children. So we have seen the examples for all these things, right? So today we are going to see the remaining rules. Okay, so the next rule is when a noun has vowel before the letter O, then add yes at the end of the word. Okay, so see example here, the word ends with O, right? Radio, it ends with O, and before O what it is? It is I. So I is a vowel, right? So in this case we need to add yes at the end of the word. Radio. See, video. What is the word ends with? It ends with letter O, and before O it is E. It is a vowel. So we need to add yes at the end of the word. Okay, children. So the next rule is when a noun has consonant before letter O, then we need to add es at the end of the word, similar to the previous rule. But here when a noun ends with O, letter O, and before O, if it is a consonant, we need to add es. There we need to add yes if it is a vowel. Here if it is a consonant, before O, we need to add es at the end of the word. So see example, mango, it ends with O, and before what is G, it is a consonant. So we need to add es. Okay. Next is tomato, tomatoes. Okay, children. So see, nouns ending with O takes es in plural. Okay, tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Okay, children. So the next rule is when the noun ends with letter F or FE, then we need to change that F or FE to VS. Okay, see examples here, leaf, knife. Okay, So these words ends with F, FE. Okay. So what we need to do as per the rule, we need to add VS at the end. We need to change that F or FE to VS. Okay. When the noun ends with letter F or FE, then we need to change that F or FE to VS. That's what the rule says. Okay. So see here, car, right? Calf. So what we need to do, it is ends with F, right? So we need to change it to VS, calves. Okay. Knife, it ends with FE in plural form. We need to change it to VS. Instead of FE, we need to change that to VS. So knives. Okay. Okay, children. So next one is some nouns have different plurals. See, in this one we don't have any S or ES at the end of the word, right? So these nouns which have different kind of plurals. Okay, shall we see one by one? Yes, see here only one child, here children. We are not adding any S or ES at the end. Okay, similarly man, men, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, woman, women, mouse and mice. So these kinds of nouns will not add any S or ES at the end. Okay. So the next one is some singular and plurals are the same. It means just same, both same, singular and plural are same. Okay. See the example, sheep. Sheep, even if it is more than one, we used to say sheep in these cases. Okay. In some cases, like these examples, deer, deer, salmon, salmon. So we are using the same singular and plural. Okay, we are using the same for singular and plural. Okay, children. So that's the end of singular and plural. So we have the summary for all the rules which you have seen in the class today. Okay. So rules for plural nouns. First rule is most noun add S to form plural. Nouns that ends with SH, CH, X, Z or S, we need to add ES. Nouns ends with vowel plus Y, we need to add S. Now end with consonant plus Y, we need to change that Y to IES. Nouns that end with F or FE, we need to change that one to VS. Nouns end with vowel plus O, then we need to add S. Nouns ends with consonant plus O, then we need to add ES. Okay, children, remember these rules because this is very important when you need to change singular to plural ones. Okay. So now we'll go for the homework part. So today's homework is you need to write singulars or plurals. Listen the class carefully. There we have given the examples, right? So related to that we have given the exercise here. So there are words given here which can be a singular or plural. You need to write the corresponding answer here. If it is a singular, you need to write the plural here. If it is a plural here, you need to write the singular here. Okay, children. So do your homework and send it to your class teacher. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.